Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Evernote on iOS from Evernote beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Evernote on your iOS device, start by unlocking your iPhone or iPad. Locate the App Store icon on your home screen and tap on it. Once the App Store opens, look for the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Search tab to open the search function. In the search bar at the top, type in Evernote and press search. You will see a list of results, with Evernote typically appearing at the top. Next to the Evernote app, you will see a button that says Get or a Cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. Tap on the Get button or the Cloud icon to begin the download. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. The app will start downloading, and you can track its progress on the home screen. Once the download is complete, the Evernote app icon will appear on your home screen. Tap on the Evernote icon to open the app for the first time. If you already have an account, enter your login details to sign in. If you're new to Evernote, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to input your email and create a password. After signing in or creating an account, you will be guided through an introduction to Evernote's features. Explore the app and familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available. You are now ready to begin using Evernote on your iOS device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.